Today at Mullin Machinery we have a Hardinge HLV-H Super Precision Toolroom Lathe, serial number 14378-T. That makes it, I would say, either a 91, 2, or 3. The serial numbers jump around at that point. They don't give the exact year to year on the list that I have. I would think from experience it's most likely a 92 or a 93. All original paint. Paint's in pretty good shape, except with the usual where the people pile tools on the front of the chip pans. Aloris AXA tool post for the holder. Sony 2-axis digital readout. Let's see. We have I don't know if I mentioned, it is inch metric. Aside from a little scraping on the end of the box there, it's pretty nice. 460 volt, 3-phase. If you'd like a backsplash with the machine, we do have a backsplash laying around. We have a few of these machines, so it's on a first come, first served basis. This has the built-in coolant pump. The way wipers are in good shape. The ways are fine. There's no wear. I don't feel any grooves, lines, or anything else. The lighting doesn't help getting a good view of it here, but the ways seem real nice. So far as the tooling in the cabinet, we have some miscellaneous collets. We have the loose gear that goes under the end that everybody takes off because it's only used for a handful of speed ranges. I do have a chuck around. I don't recall whether it's a 3-jaw or a 4-jaw, but we will include a chuck with it. They're with me and by myself today, so I'm gonna run it first, I guess, on threading. So we had it in last, so feeding away from the chuck, but we can feed the other way. Then we, let's see, let's put it in the feeds. Go. Now in regular feeds, we are in high speed right now at 1400 RPM. There all it is at 3000 RPM. Spindle's quiet. There we're feeding the feed toward the chuck. We can slow it down. Feeding away from the chuck. There's your cross feed. The brake we need to clean. It's not coming to an immediate halt, but it will. There we are on low speed. The batteries are running out here in the camera, so I gotta hurry, but overall a nice clean HLV-H. All original paint. You can check this out on our website, mullinmachinery.com. That's MULLIN machinery.com for all your tool room and fabricating needs.